I'm going to show you something extremely simple that is going to help you read price action much easier. Okay, hop into the 1 minute time frame on a ticker of your choice. I'm using ES right here, but this also works on NQ and GC. Drop down to the 1 minute. As you're watching price, when market is open, I want you to go ahead and mark out the very first fair value gap that you see on the 1 minute time frame. For ES on this past Friday, that would be right here. Okay, there we go. Let's line it up a little bit better. There we go. That's right here. Okay, let's label that Friday first presented fair value gap. Okay, see how price kind of chops around here and keeps getting dragged to it. Boom, there you go. That is a magnet. The first presented fair value gaps are a magnet. Okay, we're slowly melting up. Where are we going? Oh, what's that? What do we almost get to? Well, one could say, I have this marked out right here, previous day low, right? We drop into the daily. Ooh, let's find it. Okay. Price hit some resistance right here at the previous day low. Drop into the 1 minute. This is also Wednesday's first presented fair value gap. Funny how everything kind of lines up, right? So what you can do is you can take plays off of this first presented fair value gap, target of 1 to 2. Let's see if we want to do it down here. Maybe we got in here a little bit early. I would have my stop probably right down here just below. I would target, personally, sell side liquidity up here. And that's a 4.1 ratio, guys. 4.1. And if you held and if you were a baller, you could have made it all the way up here. 5.83 ratio. Absolutely stupid, guys. Add these to your charts. Keep them on there. Keep them on there minimum for the week so you can see them ride. Boom. Money making machine. There you go. Now you may be asking, how do I use this? What am I supposed to do? Just blindly take plays off of it? Well, no. Let's add in this ICT kill zones indicator. So let's see, morning chop is over and I wanted to take a play right around here. We finally drew back down and I see, we're right here maybe, and let's see that I see, okay, we're not hitting it. All right. We're not breaking it. So I want to take a long position. I want to get into the 50%. I keep my stop slightly down here just so we don't get stop rated. And I want to target buy side liquidity right here. Okay? New York high of day so far. Absolutely gorgeous. You wouldn't have gone into barely any drawdown if you got in maybe right here. You wouldn't have gotten into any drawdown. You would have hit a 6.67 RR. And you probably would have been done for the day depending on how you sized it. There you go, guys. Daily first presented fair value gaps.